I am Prachi Gupta. Welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. After Bharat Biotech, Ahmedabad-based Zydus Cadila Healthcare Limited becomes the second Indian company to get a nod for conducting COVID vaccine trials. The approval for clinical trials was given by the Drug Controller General of India after the company submitted the results of the animal studies which were found to be successful with regards to safety and immunogenicity. The company has got the approval to carry out Phase 1 and Phase 2 trials for which the enrollment of participants will begin soon. Given the urgency, the approval process was fast-tracked. Vixuda Bioproduct, a startup based at IIT Guwahati, has made a disinfection tunnel, which disinfects a person in just 7 seconds. The Disinfectant Tunnel is a full-body disinfection chamber having high-pressure nozzles which sprays disinfectant fluid. This fluid works by disrupting the protein structure of the microbes, eventually killing them. A person needs to cover sensitive areas like eyes, mouth, but the rest of the body can be disinfected in the tunnel. The mist formation using nozzles which allows the spray to be uniformly distributed over the body and not just the part closer or in line with the nozzles. The tunnel is cost effective too, and the operational cost of disinfecting one person is just 2 rupees. Apart from people, the online delivery packages can be easily disinfected by carrying it through this tunnel. This disinfection tunnel can be easily set up in hospitals, office buildings, residential societies, food, markets, schools, colleges, bus stands, cinema halls, malls and many more. Let's hear more on this from the expert.
This is a tunnel where normal or routine your disinfectant can be sprayed. Disinfectant solution we are using that is not specific for corona. So this is the since it is everyone is doing your disinfectant using different type of solution, hand, brush, etc. etc. So why not for this type of things? The idea came behind that when you are going for your scanning through airport or railway station, some scan machine goes through and it is scanning equally. So why not if we make some sorts of tunnel through where not only human, other items will also go, particularly airport or anywhere, some luggage is also coming. In that way, we can scan it.
A drug discovery hackathon has been launched by the Union Minister of Science and Technology, Dr. Harshvardhan, and Union Minister for Human Resource Development, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. This hackathon is one of its kind initiatives for supporting the drug discovery process, where professionals, faculty, researchers, and students from varied fields like computer science, chemistry, pharmacy, medical sciences, basic sciences, and biotechnology can participate. Through this hackathon, citizens can now contribute in expediting the process of developing drugs against COVID-19. The hackathon consists of challenges based on specific drug discovery topics that participants can take up to solve. The hackathon will have 3 tracks. Track 1 will primarily deal with the drug design for anti-COVID-19 hit or lead generation, which will be done using tools such as molecular modeling, pharmacophore optimization, molecular docking, hit or lead optimization, etc. Track 2 will deal with designing and optimizing new tools and algorithms which will have an immense impact on expediting the process of in silico drug discovery. The third track is called Moonshot, which allows working on problems which are out of the box kind. This drug discovery hackathon is a joint initiative of MHRD's Innovation Cell, All India Council for Technical Education or AICT and CSIR, and is supported by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing and My Government as well as private players. The hackathon can be accessed at the My Government website. Let's hear more on this from Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan.
Become a part of the launch of this drug discovery hackathon for COVID-19. You are all aware that all our scientists in all our research laboratories all across CSIR, biotechnology, DST, ICMR, they are working very hard day in and day out for new drug discovery, for development of new vaccine against COVID, for helping the young startups, for developing new medical devices to handle COVID situation, and also for issues like repurposing of the old drugs, etc., etc. And when they are all in this effort and they are on road to significant success, a part of which has been achieved by now. This hackathon, which will involve students and young researchers and scientists from over 3,000 colleges and research institutions, universities, laboratories, academic world for this drug discovery. As was rightly said by Dr. Vijay Raghavan, that from millions of molecules to use computational methods, use simulation techniques, use artificial intelligence, use machine learning, use data analytics, all that to ultimately find out some good molecules, trying the techniques of docking, optimization and admit, etc., and then propose to the government or the scientific world or those who are responsible for the new drug discoveries a set of molecules which ultimately we know they will have to be subjected to further verification, further trials in the animals or in the human beings. But this is certainly going to help the country in a big way in shortening the time for the discovery of all these drugs.
That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.